comprehensive Daypack comparison. Travel Daypacks are essential companions for adventurers, commuters, and travelers alike. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain, navigating airport terminals, or exploring new cities, a reliable Daypack can make all the difference in organization, comfort, and convenience. In this review, I tested 5 popular travel Daypacks across various price ranges, from budget-friendly options to premium designs. Listen. The Waterfly Crossbody Sling Backpack is an affordable and compact option designed for casual outings, light hikes, and urban exploration. Its unique sling-style design makes it stand out from traditional backpacks, offering easy access to your belongings without removing the bag entirely. With a price point of $25.99, this Daypack includes multiple compartments for organization and a lightweight build that ensures comfort during extended use. During testing, the Waterfly Sling Backpack proved ideal for short trips and situations requiring quick access to essentials. The adjustable strap and ergonomic design made it comfortable to wear even for extended periods. However, its smaller capacity limits its use for travelers needing to carry larger items or multiple days' worth of gear. The water-resistant material performed adequately in light rain, but struggled under heavy downpours. It's best suited. The TomTalk Travel Backpack is the premium option in this comparison, boasting an impressive 40L capacity and a host of features designed for frequent travelers. Priced at $87.99, this TSA-friendly backpack includes a dedicated laptop compartment, multiple organizational pockets, and durable recycled fabric construction. Its thoughtful design includes padded shoulder straps, a luggage pass-through strap, and ergonomic support for long-term comfort. Performance-wise, the TomTalk Travel Backpack excelled in situations requiring heavy packing, such as multi-day trips or business travel. The suitcase-style main compartment made packing and unpacking a breeze, while the laptop compartment provided excellent protection for electronics. The recycled materials and YKK zippers added durability and sustainability points. However, its larger size and heavier weight may not appeal to minimalist travelers or those seeking ultra-light options. It's a fantastic choice for frequent flyers and professionals needing organization and capacity. The Zomake Ultra Lightweight Packable Backpack offers a budget-friendly solution at $17.99, making it the most affordable option in this comparison. Designed for lightweight travel, this 25L backpack folds into a compact pocket for easy storage when not in use. Featuring water-resistant nylon fabric and dual side pockets for bottles or umbrellas, this backpack is a versatile choice for day trips and light hiking. This backpack excelled in portability and packability during testing. Its ability to fold into a sandwich-sized pouch made it an excellent secondary bag for travel. However, the thin nylon material raised concerns about long-term durability, especially under heavier loads. The water resistance was sufficient for light rain, but not reliable in harsher weather conditions. It's best suited for travelers needing an occasional use backpack or a lightweight option for day trips. The Eddie Bauer Stowaway Packable Backpack is a mid-range option priced at $34. With a 20-liter capacity and a compact, packable design, it offers a balance between portability and functionality. Made from ripstop polyester and featuring a storm-repel WR finish, this backpack provides weather resistance and durability for outdoor adventures. In practical use, the Eddie Bauer Stowaway Backpack performed well for short hikes and day trips. The extended shoulder straps and hip belt provided added comfort, making it a great option for extended wear. While the 20-liter capacity is sufficient for essentials, it may feel limiting for travelers needing more storage space. The packable design is a standout feature, enabling easy storage in larger luggage. It's ideal for travelers seeking a compact, weather-resistant Daypack for casual outings. List 5. The Osprey Ultralight Collapsible Stuff Pack is a lightweight, packable travel backpack priced at $44.99. With an 18L capacity, this Daypack is designed as an extra travel bag for day trips or souvenirs. Made from Blue Sign certified recycled nylon, it's both environmentally friendly and durable. The breathable, padded mesh shoulder straps ensure comfort, while the adjustable sternum strap adds stability. This Osprey pack stood out for its ultralight design and portability during testing. It's perfect for travelers seeking a compact secondary bag or a lightweight option for excursions. However, the smaller capacity and minimalist design may limit its use for those needing more storage or features. The Almighty Guarantee adds peace of mind for long-term use. It's an excellent choice for eco-conscious travelers, prioritizing portability and simplicity.